Be ready. 5 seconds. Start. Bihar Municipal Act 2007 Section 12 Rejection of nomination of petitioner to contest the Patna Municipal Election 2017 on the ground that Ward Number 21 is a female unreserved seat and petitioner being a third gender ought to have filed her nomination for an unreserved others seat plea that being a transgender in terms of the order of Supreme Court in the case of National Legal Services Authority versus Union of India, she having voluntarily decided to be treated as a female, she was entitled to all benefits given under law to a female candidate. On the issue with regard to her having put cross mark at various columns in the nomination paper plea that those columns were in continuation to the initial query and only if the answer to the first query was yes, then those details were required, and once the answer was no, said category was not to be filled up, and it was the discretion of petitioner to cross mark or put a dash or a zero, and thus having put a cross mark cannot go against her, and there is no suppression petitioner to file an election petition in terms of the statute. Municipal and building laws. Huge struggle is being constructed on the north side adjacent to the centenary building of the Patna High Court. Municipal Commissioner expressed doubts that approval of the plan had been accorded for the ongoing construction existence of the structure in such close proximity of the High Court building apart from causing incessant disturbances in court proceeding prima facie poses serious security concerns for judges, lawyers, litigants, staff, and security personnel alike, matter to be brought to the notice of the Chief Justice for taking it up on the judicial side. Bihar Pension Rules 1950, Rules 43 under bracket B and 139 withholding of 100% pension. One of the requirement of principle of natural justice is to supply copies of documents to the petitioner which were relied upon by inquiry officer in order to enable him to meet the charges and to put valid defense. Non-supply of those relevant documents to petitioner has resulted into violation of principle of natural justice. Entire departmental proceeding including order of punishment vitiated further in case of allegation of violation of principle of natural justice or infringement of fundamental right. Writ petition is maintainable in spite of availability of appellate remedy to aggrieved person. Departmental proceeding including punishment order quashed and set aside, matter remanded to respondents to move afresh against petitioner. Rule 186 family pension claimed by second wife, the second wife having married the employee having a spouse living at the time of marriage would not be entitled to receive family pension. Circular of Finance Department relied upon by petitioner is an exception made only with regard to Mohammedans because of Mohammedan personal law. So far as Hindus are concerned, they do not have a right contrary to law. Stop.